So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a portfolio line of credit in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to the bottom left, select the Home tab. Once you're on the Home tab, just scroll down a little bit here to where it says Open or Move Account, and right above that for me it says Portfolio Line of Credit. But if it's not there, once again select Open or Move Account, and then open a new account. Then once you're here, you can simply just scroll down to where there's a bunch of different options here, but under spend it says portfolio line of credit. Instantly borrow up to 12,100 at 4.95% paid back whenever. I will then go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and read all about the portfolio line of credit. So the borrowing up to, the interest rate, a bunch of different information here. And if this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press open an account, and proceed that way. So that is how to open a portfolio line of credit in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.